Welcome to our Cypress automation test tutorials. Today's topic is stimulates more realistic user interactions. cypress-real-events plugin enables stimulation of more realistic user interactions than the standard Cypress commands like click, tap, etc., which are JavaScript triggered and may not trigger all native browser behaviors or third-party libraries that listen for the real domain events. Plugin name cypress-real-events. Purpose: stimulate real user interactions using the browser native event system. Common use cases: handling complex event listeners, tooltips, hover, etc. Installation: npm install cypress-real-events. Import method: add import cypress-real-events support in your commands.js or e2e.js file. Available commands: realClick stimulates a real mouse click. realHover stimulates hover, useful for the drop-downs or tooltips. realType taps text with real keyboard events. realPress presses a keyboard key like Enter, Tap, arrow down. realTouch stimulates touch events. realMouseDown, realMouseUp stimulates MouseDown up actions. realSwipe stimulates swipe for mobile. Example test scenarios: realClick, Cypress get a button and realClick it. Hover to tooltip, Cypress get a tooltip icon, realHover to. Tap text, Cypress get import, realType hello. Press Enter, Cypress get import, realPress Enter. Example test case. Test case ID, test case title, precondition, test steps. First, visit the tooltip page. Second, use realHover on the info icon. Third, verify tooltip appears. Expected result: tooltip becomes visible. Okay, let's start coding. First, open Visual Studio Code. In the terminal, we install cypress-real-events plugin. Fix the issue. Okay, most fix. And in this file support.js, we need to import a copy from other project, import here. Yeah, then I save. Under my script, I add a new script. Name is real events. Then I copy this code paste here. And the first one, I will show how we use realClick. You see, we first visit the website, and this is before we use click, but this time we use realClick. So when you type command content, you can see here real. You can see realClick, realHover, realMouseDown, realMouseUp, realMouseWheel, and realPress, real swipe, and realTouch. Every comment is here. So you type real and you can get the comments. So first I type the realClick. So you see here we use all of the realClick and realHover and realClick. So this is the first code for the realClick. So how I can run it? You see here is click the button one. So use realClick. Also, we click this one and click web elements, use realClick. Okay, I do another code for realType. So okay, so this is a real type. Go to the web page, we find the test one and the real type something. So here is a real click and get the test. This is the test one and click the text one input box and then use real type welcome press. So let's run the script as first save. Okay, and run. You see here, go to the page and tap click and realClick, and then go to this page and find the text import text box one, and then click and tap something in it. Okay, we use another method. We use realHover. So I save. Oh, You see here is go this page and URL and get button 3 and rehover to the button 3. Wait for the second for we can see. Yeah, this is for the rehover. We look at another method we call the realPress. The second time is pass. You see here is a click and click and get a text box 1, focus and rehover to and get and click and get this one and tap the tap, press tap. Okay, we continue to look at the other commands, commands like realTouch, realMouseDown and up, and realMouseWheel. And we copy the code from our project and paste here. You see, just realTouch is like realTouch get this one, web elements and realTouch. And here is realMouseDown. Click this import box and realDown and realUp, MouseUp. And here is get this real-click and get division and realMouseWheel. So let me run this code. Okay, we first see the realTouch. You can see here, click this one, and here is realTouch. You see realTouch, this box. And here is mouse down and mouse up. You see here is mouse down. And wait second, and then is mouse up again. You see here is where, yeah, you see here is where. So this is today's topic. Thank you for watching our today's video. If you like it, please hit like and subscribe to follow our updates. See you next time.